ISIS loves it when you fear them. That's the goal of terrorism, right? Using fear to further a political or ideological goal. But recently, the group, also known as Daesh, has been making false claims, taking credit for attacks they've had nothing to do with, inflating their illusion of power and reach. Has the media been helping? After the shooting in Las Vegas, the Amaq news agency, the official outlet for ISIS, released a statement saying they were responsible for the attack and that the shooter recently converted to Islam, a claim that no one's been able to corroborate. But that didn't stop some media outlets around the world from quickly disseminating the propaganda, giving credence to the boogeyman under the bed reputation that fuels ISIS. Again, this isn't the first time they've done this. When a man opened fire inside a casino resort in Manila, Philippines, ISIS was quick to take him on as one of their own. And again, headlines ran with that. He ended up being an indebted gambler with no links to terrorism whatsoever. Then, ISIS claimed to have smuggled explosive into Paris's Charles de Gaulle airport shortly after a security alert resulted in evacuation. But that just ended up being an angry female passenger in her 50s who wasn't allowed to get on the plane. No attack, no injuries, no weapons, yet many agencies were quick to go with it. Paul Kruckenshank, a terrorism analyst for CNN, tweeted this. Conclusion: ISIS, desperate for attention, will claim just about anything these days, knowing the supporters won't believe the government or media. As distributors of the news, we have a responsibility to disseminate not only accurate, but also conscious information. Did ISIS claim responsibility? Yes. Do we have to report every unsubstantiated claim? No, we do not.